What's up, guys? Here we are in my garage. Got some news for you guys. We got new parts coming in, well, used parts for our Honda Shadow. Let me show you guys real quick. So, it's our bike, current status. No headlight. Cluster is half there. Fix that. Handlebars been replaced though. These aren't bent anymore. It's just in kind of rough shape, really. I went ahead and just took it off the marketplace. I had it up for sale, but decided I want to try to fix it up and sell it for more, or maybe keep it. So we got hooked up. Another gas tank. It's got no dents on it. Just been sanded down really nice. See this one. Got a big old dent right here. It's just, because of that, it's just awful now. Gas got on the paint, made it look awful. So I'm gonna swap that out. Got a OEM factory, ugly rectangle headlight. We have this cluster, which is kind of neat. Kind of like it. I'll try to make it work. We'll see. This little shifter, which isn't as bent as that one is. And just another light switch. Just because I believe the one I have is bad. It's missing the horn button as well. So, still missing a lot of things. I kind of got bigger plans for this thing now. I really would like to make it into a bobber style, which would mean chop the frame right there, get rid of these shocks, weld up or bolt up just some straight bars, lower it down, clean her up. I don't know, I think I could get this thing looking really good. It's a nice little project with all this stuff going on. Peep the Buick. Haven't done much else to the Buick really. Need to buy parts, but with all this stuff going on, I kind of just want to save as much money as I can. Never know really what's going to happen. I'll get this little panel in. Looks like crap, but it was handmade. I'm gonna wire that. That's my ignition switch. Put my water pump switch, fuel pump switch. I'm gonna keep working on her, trying to start her up, get her to run, get her to idle. Right now, it's pretty much on hold, just because I'd like to buy some parts, but don't really want to spend the money. I'm going to be getting a serpentine belt conversion kit for it, which literally I'm only going to run an alternator about here, my crank belt or a crank pulley, and a serpentine belt. So I think it's going to look really clean. One thing I did do, went ahead and installed half gauge wire on it. I'll show you guys real quick what that looks like. And relocated the battery to the trunk. So obviously I'm not gonna have it just sitting there. I'm gonna go ahead and make a bracket, try to strap it down. Yeah, we got 0 gauge wire here, had to cut through the floorboard, ran it all underneath the car along the frame. That grounded it there. Yeah, we got power to it now. So it's a quick little update for you guys, just to see what kind of is going on. Haven't really been doing much yet. Yeah, right now we'll be working on this, see how this little project comes along, and see if we'll finally be able to sell it, or I'm going to keep it. Which my wife probably won't let me keep it, but I might try to convince her. So, all right, guys.